Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Kungfuking brand, their desk edge mount power strip with 9 outlets and 4 USB ports, 1700 joules surge protection, and a 6-foot long flat plug. This gets excellent Amazon customer reviews. So this will handle 2500 watts total. So look at this cube, it's unbelievable. I've never seen one that has this many plugs on there, 9 plugs. Here's the 3 USB-A ports and the 1 USB-C port for a total of 4 that I mentioned. And it has a really nice power switch on there, which is great. You can turn the unit on and off. And that nice flexible 6-foot cord and a nice flat plug on there. And if you look on the bottom right here, it has a bracket. And you're going to be using this to mount it on your table, or if you like, you could use the included screwdriver and you can remove those 4 screws, and then you can mount it on a wall, or you could just lay it flat on your table. So you got 3 different options on there. Now this has surge protection and handles 2500 watts, as I mentioned. The surge protection is internal, so that if you have a lightning strike and there's a big pulse of voltage on your AC line, it'll protect whatever you have on here up to 2500 watts. So really nice, because you don't normally have something that's this small and it has this many outlets on there. And they're spaced pretty decently too, so you can fit a lot of different things on there, plus your USB A and C ports right there. So I'm impressed by it. I'm going to show how it mounts now. So the mount is very clever. There is a little notch there. You can see it mates with the notch inside there. And you just take it and line it up. And that's it. And then it can't pull out. Then once you start putting tension on this, it will hold it right in place. The maximum edge thickness from there all the way back is about 1.6 inches, which is very generous because most tables are less than that. So here I have it mounted on the end of my studio table, which is a nice thick table, and right away I have my one supply for my HD camera, and it just works out beautifully. It locks it really in place really nicely. The power switch is right there. Couldn't ask for anything more simple and more easy to use, and it's so versatile. And I've got all these outlets and USB-A ports to charge anything I want on the end of my studio table. Really like this. So after testing, what do I think about the Kungfuking brand, their desk edge mount power strip? Really cool product. I love the flat cord. I love the 9 outlets on there. So versatile. The power switch and the USB-A ports and USB-C ports, and the flexibility. You have a choice: table mounting it, mounting it on a wall, or just laying it flat on your desktop or table or your work area. I really think they thought this thing out. I'm impressed by it. High quality. I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.